Hello, this is Mark Sabatella from Outside Shore Music, home of mastering MuseScore. In this week's tip, I'm going to show you how to control the size of symbols within text. This is something that's changed a couple of times in the last few releases. It's designed to give you more control over the relative size of the text and any musical symbols within it, but it does mean you have to be aware of a couple of new settings. So let's go ahead and I will add a tempo marking to my score here with Shift-Alt-T. And if you look at my tempo marking here, it's got a quarter note symbol and then some text. And, the relative sizes are designed to be as you might like. But what if you want this, say, the whole tempo marking to be bigger? Well, if you select it and then come over to the Properties panel, you'll see there's 12-point font selected for the text, and I can increase that, and it will make the equals 80 bigger and bigger, but the note didn't get bigger. That's because you have independent control now of the size of symbols and text. The symbol size is under here where it says show more. So if I come here, you'll see symbol size is 20 point, but I can make that larger and have whatever size I want. You can also make that if you click the ... menu here, you can then save that as the default style, and I could do the same for my larger text font there. And now if I add another tempo marking, it will have those same larger sizes. And those larger sizes are kind of specific to each type of text. So I have now made tempo markings have larger text and larger symbols, but if I come over to the palettes and go to the repeats palette and add something like to coda, it's still going to be at the default size. And if I want to make the default size for repeat signs, so if I want to make the coda sign bigger there, I'll do the same thing of going to show more and taking that symbol size and cranking it up larger. You can also come over to Format, Style, Text Styles, and you'll see where you can set the defaults for the font size and the musical symbols font size independently for each different type of text. So there's more controls designed to give you more control over the appearance of your text more easily, but it does mean that if you've got symbols within text, you have to know where that symbol size setting is to make sure you can control the size of your symbols.